What's going on, guys? It's like day 78 of this whole stuck at home thing, and I bought some wood yesterday because I'm going to be building a speaker box for my truck. It's too bright to go out there, but I'll show you the wood. Got some 1/2 inch. It's like a hardwood. I think it's birch. I'm not sure. I didn't really look. I just grabbed it, and we're going to be building a speaker box for 2/8 in the back of my truck. Let's see if I can get in here. Oh, it's a mess. Yeah, it's gonna go under there. So I've got to take this out and lift the seats up and clean all this garbage out of here, and probably won't get done with it today, but at least we'll start it and you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. All right, so we got all the trash out of my truck, you can see. And now, fold these seats up. We got to take this little storage compartment out and get the jack and stuff out. Look at this, airheads. My kids left me some trash. And then we're going to measure and see kind of what size box we can do. My thought is I'm either going to do 2 individual boxes, an 8 in each box, and do like a filler panel across the middle. That way I have somewhere to put my amp. Or I'll do 1 big box. It just depends on how much volume I can get with 2 independent boxes. So the jack and the wrench come out pretty easily. And then there's this little bracket here. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. And it's just got 2 10mm right here. If we pop those off, we can take the bracket out, and then we should be able to pull this whole tray out. There we go. Oh, that's filthy. Oh, look at all these crackers and M&Ms and Skittles. We just whipped up these sawhorse brackets real quick. I had some plastic ones, but man, they got destroyed. We would cut 4x4s and they would drop and like hit the legs and just break them, so I threw them away. So I've had these little brackets forever, and pretty handy. All right, so this is going to be the box. I'm going to cut my pattern out of this and get building. Glue off of here. One thing I also like to do is go in the inside of my box and glue all my inside edges, because I don't want little whistles like when you build a box and you have an air leak. It'll go pss, 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 pss. You'll hear the air. So I go to the inside corner and I just run a bead, bead, bead. Passenger side box, so the port will be sticking. When you open the passenger back door, the port will be right there. And I've actually got a couple more pieces I've got to cut to make basically a 6-inch tube that'll slip inside of here, and that'll be how I get the 45 hertz tuning. Let's see, I know it's going to hit the screw, but that actually I'm gonna have to notch out for that screw, but I think that's it. that seat's down and this one sits flush up against it. That's it, buddy. That's money. Okay, we got most of the box done. Got a port here on the side, and then I had to actually notch right there for the little bolt for my jack. So I put a block in here and glued it in place, that way it doesn't leak air. But I'll show you how it fits in the truck. So you can see the little bolt right here that I've got to try to go around. And basically the box is just kind of like, whoop, and slide like that right there. And then it sits like that. And then my seat will go right down over top of it, like that. And I actually test fit this box, and it fits perfect on the other side. So I'm gonna build an identical box with the port on the opposite side. And then I'll do like a filler plate over both boxes that'll make them appear as one box when the seats are down. And then this right here will be where I'm able to put my amp. Port's in place now. We got it secured, brad nailed, glued. We've got to clean up the front edge a little bit, and then we'll take a router and round it off and make it look a little better. All right, so got my box finished. Show you guys. This is it in all of its glory. Nothing too crazy fancy, but it'll work just fine. So I guess in the next video we'll carpet it maybe, and I'm not going to carpet the front because I got the false plate. We'll go ahead and mount the sub to it, and then get the other box made that's going to be identical to this.